ready for this? You ready?
I'll do the theme music in the background.
Okay, it's recording.
Oh.